Hi students, welcome to today's class. In today's class, I will be teaching you how to do one sum to prepare revaluation account, capital account, balance sheet, as well as something another one more ledger. We will be preparing the cash at bank. Okay, so far we didn't prepare that, but in this sum I will be teaching you how to prepare the bank account also. Okay, so you know how to prepare evaluation. It's very simple. It's very easy to understand. All the profits put on the credit side and all the losses put on the debit side. You have to revalue your assets and liabilities, find out the profit or loss. You have to take only the profit or loss. That is the only thing you have to keep in mind. Don't take the actual value or the previous value or that is the book value. Take the difference, that is the profit or loss. So we'll move to question number 26. I'll read the question. I'll read the question for you first, page number 179. Just watch the screen, understand the question, then we'll move to the sum. The following is the balance sheet of James and Justina as on 1/1/2017. They share the profits and losses equally. Liabilities, capital account, James 40,000, Justina 50,000, total 90,000. Creditors 35,000, reserve fund 15,000. Assets, building 70,000, stock 30,000. Debtors 20,000, bank 15,000, prepaid insurance 5,000. On the above date, Balan is admitted as a partner with 1/5 share in future profits. Following are the terms for his admission. Balan brings rupees 25,000 as capital. A share of goodwill is rupees 10,000 and he brings cash for it. The assets are to be valued as under. Buildings rupees 80,000, debtors 18,000, stock 33,000. Prepare necessary ledger accounts and the balance sheet after admission. So you are asked to prepare the necessary ledger accounts and the balance sheet of the new partner. So ledger accounts, what are the ledger accounts you have to prepare? You have to prepare revaluation account and you have to prepare the capital account. First we will prepare the revaluation account. Here as I told you, you are going to prepare one more ledger, that is the bank account also. That also I will teach you how to prepare. Okay. So revaluation account. Debit, credit. Rupees, So put all the profits on the credit side and all the losses on the debit side. Okay. Already I told you to prepare revaluation account, you have to see the adjustments. So first adjustment is the money brought in by the new partner, that we should not show here, and also the amount of money what he is bringing for his share of goodwill, that also you should not show here. Only the revaluation of the assets and liabilities alone you have to show it here. Okay, the value, that is that difference alone you have to show in the revaluation account. So you go to the third adjustment. Assets are valued as under. Okay, so what is the first one given? The buildings 80,000. The present value of building is 80,000. So you must see the previous value, that is in the balance sheet. A balance sheet, it is given as 70,000. That is book value, that is the beginning of the accounting period, it was 70,000. Now it is 80,000. So asset increased, 10,000 rupees increase. Okay, so you must write the difference. How much is the difference? 10,000. Asset increases means it results in profit. So you write here. Credit side by buildings. Don't write 80,000, only the difference you must write, that is 10,000. How much increase, that only you must write by buildings. Okay. Then debtors, present value 18,000 it is given, but previously it was given how much? 20,000. From 20,000 it has gone to 18,000. It has reduced. Reduced means loss. So write 2 debtors. It was 20,000, now it is only 18,000. So what is the difference? 2,000 rupees is a loss. Okay. Next, stock. Current value of stock is 33,000. Previously it was 30. From 30 now it has gone to 33. Asset increased. How much? 3,000 rupees increase. So 3,000 rupees increase is what? It is a profit. So write here, buy stock. 3,000 rupees increase. Okay, that's all, nothing else is there. Find the profit now. Total is 13,000. So minus this 13,000 minus 2,000. So credit side is greater, so it is profit. So write 2 profit on revaluation transferred to partners capital account. So who are the old partners? James capital account, Justina's, these are the old partners, capital account. Okay, so 13,000 minus total profit is 11,000. How you have to divide? See the question. These two are, James and Justina are equal partners. So equal partners means half half. That is 5,500, 5,500. So total is 13,000. Okay. So revaluation profit 11,000. This profit should be taken to the capital account of the partners. Okay. So next you have to prepare the capital account. Capital account. So 3 partners name you have to write: James, Justina, Balan. 3 partners are there. Rupees. So here also you write James, Justina, Balan. Rupees. So as I already told you, whenever you prepare capital account, first thing what you must do, capital account is, it's a liability. All liabilities will have credit balance. So bring down the opening balance here. First bring down here. So write by balance brought down 40,000, 50,000. Okay. Then see the first adjustment. Balan brings capital. He is bringing capital. How much is bringing? He is bringing 25,000. So write that by bank. The new partner is bringing 25,000. Okay. Then see whether there is any reserve or any fund or any profit and loss given in the balance sheet. Yes, we have reserve fund. Reserve fund totally it is 15,000. They are equal partners. So give half for both of them. So by reserve fund 7,500, 7,500. Give for half both of them. Okay. And then what else you have? You have revaluation profit. Already we prepared revaluation account. So bring that also by revaluation profit account. So that is 5,500, 5,500. Now for his share of goodwill. What is bringing? He is bringing cash. He is bringing cash for his share of goodwill. Okay. So what is the journal for that? Bank account data to the old partners, to James account, to Justin's account. So in capital account, okay, bank account data to James capital account and Justin's capital account. So in James and Justin's capital account you have to enter that. So you must write by bank. This is the amount brought for his share of goodwill. So write here share of goodwill. Share of goodwill. So how much is bringing? Total is bringing 10,000. Both are equal partners. So half of you give 5,000. 5,000. The debit side nothing is there. Put the total. So here you will get 58,000. Here you will get 68,000. 68,000 and here 25,000. Now take it here. So write to balance carried down 58,000, 68,000 and 25,000. So bring it down. So this balance, bring it down here. By balance brought down 58,000, 68,000 and 25,000. Okay. Hope you understood, children, how to prepare the capital account. First thing, bring the balance here, balance brought down, that is the capital from the balance sheet. Then the money brought by the new partner. Then the fund should be transferred to old partner's capital account. Revaluation profit already we found out. This is the amount of goodwill, cash, money is bringing, that should be taken by the two partners, is share of goodwill taken by the two old partners. They are equal partners, so share half of. Find the difference, bring it down. Now this 58,000, 68,000 and 25,000 only is the capital balance that should be taken to the new balance sheet, that is the balance sheet what you are going to prepare. Before that we will prepare bank account. Okay. Cash at bank account. Okay. Debit, credit, rupees, 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 rupees. Now, first thing you have to keep in mind, bank account is, bank is an asset, cash at bank is an asset. So all assets will always have debit balance. So whatever balance you have in the old balance sheet, that you have to bring it here. Opening balance you have to write like this, to balance brought down. Okay, so from the balance sheet what is given in the question, that cash balance you bring it here, that is 15,000. Then Balan is the new partner and he is bringing, see the first adjustment, Balan is bringing cash for capital, for his capital he is bringing cash. How much rupees he is bringing? He is bringing 25,000. Okay, so balance capital account. So what is the journal when he is bringing money? What is the journal for that? Bank account data to balance capital account. So in bank account what you have to write? To balance capital account. To balance capital account. This is the money brought towards capital. So he is bringing 25,000. Then again he is bringing cash for his share of goodwill that has already been transferred to the old partner's capital account. So that you have to write to James capital account to Justina's capital account. 10,000 rupees he is bringing, they both are equal partners, so half of already we transferred it in the capital account. That's all. So now put the total here. 25, 30, 40. Total is 50,000. So bring it here, take it here by balance, carry it down. 50,000. Bring it to the same line. 50,000. Again bring it down here. 2 balance brought down 50,000. Is it clear? Okay. How to prepare bank account? Bank is an asset. All assets opening balance already given. Cash at bank is given as the balance sheet. 15,000 that you take. Then this is the money brought in as a capital. For his capital 25,000. And then for a share of goodwill 10,000 he is bringing, that is taken by James and Justina, old partners. That also you write here. Put the total 50,000, carry it on the credit side. Again bring it down. Now this 50,000 is the final. Now 50,000 is the present value of cash at bank. This 50,000 should be taken to your new balance sheet. Okay. So next we will go and prepare the new balance sheet. Balance sheet as on 1/1/2017. Okay. Liabilities, assets, rupees. Okay. Okay. Now see the question, go to the asset side. First we will finish asset side, then we will come to the liability side. See the question. Buildings. First buildings is given. Buildings, at the beginning it was 70, now value is 80. So it has increased. Appreciation, add appreciation 10,000 rupees. So that will give you 80,000. Next stock 30,000. Again stock also increased. So add that. Add increased. 3,000 rupees increased. So add and write here 33,000. Debtors, it was 20,000 less provision 2,000. It has decreased by 2,000 rupees. So that you will get only 18,000 here. Next bank. For bank account you have prepared cash at bank. You prepared cash at bank account, no? In that account what is your last brought down balance? Last balance is the closing balance, that is the 50,000. So that you have to write here. Prepaid insurance. Prepaid insurance 5,000. Then prepare the liabilities now. Liability side you go, write the capital account. James for 50 58,000. For Justina, 68,000. Then last is Balan. Balan, 25,000. So add everything. 1,51,000. Creditors, 35,000. So total is 1,86,000. Here also 1,86,000. Hope you understood, children, how to prepare the revaluation account, capital account, bank account and the final balance sheet at the time of admission of a partner. Thank you.